Can changing your attitude really change your life? What if your mindset was the key to everything? Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller is a powerful book that shows how your thoughts shape your reality. Published in 1999, it's a guide to transforming your life through a positive mindset. Your success doesn't depend on talent alone. It depends on your attitude. The book is divided into 3 powerful parts: first think, second speak, and third act. Each one builds your mindset from inside out. You are what you believe. Negative thinking closes doors. Positive belief opens them. If you believe you can, you have already won half the battle. Winners see the goal before they reach it. Jeff says, visualize your dream, see it every day. What you focus on grows. Your words program your mind. Never say I can't. Say I am trying. Speak life into your dreams. Don't say I always fail. Say I'm learning and improving. Don't say I'll never succeed. Say I am one step closer. Words matter. Choose them wisely. Success loves action. Dreams don't work unless you do. Start small, but start now. Rejections are redirections. Every no is a test of your commitment. Don't quit at failure. Learn, grow, and go again. What this book teaches us: your attitude is your superpower. Words are your tools. Use them right. Visualize your dreams. Take bold actions. Never stop growing. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. You need the perfect attitude. Comment your favorite takeaway and subscribe for more book summaries. Thank you.